Okay, now we're getting to do the first actual acro pose of level 2. It's called candlestick, and it's basically Sonia is going to do a shoulder stand on my hands. The first thing I want to show you is a proper hand position for the base. So if Sonia sits down for a moment. I'm first going to show you what a lot of people do, and it's wrong. A lot of people will just going to put their hands here because they want to be under the shoulders. But if you're under the shoulders, it's actually going to set up your wrist poorly. What you want to do instead is you want to be towards the back, and you want to think more like suction cups on the back. So this is if I put my hands under, that's no. This is if I put my hands more up on her back like suction cups. And now we're gonna go for it. So if you stand up. As a base, I'm going to lie on my back. I'm going to have my knees bent. Sonia is going to step across my belly. She's facing forward. And she reaches with her hands into her legs. She goes to the middle of her thighs, and it's this kind of grip. I'm going to find a good position on her back. And the important thing is now for Sonia to keep her legs, her arms straight. I have to keep my arms straight, and I actually have to push down. There's a tendency that Sonia comes forward, or the flyer, not Sonia, never Sonia. And so as a base, I have to push down because we want to keep this arm connection to my legs. So now I'm in a good position, and Sonia can start stepping on my knees. Very nice. Now she's going to get her hips as high above her shoulders as possible. She's going to start with one leg, and once that leg is up, she's going to continue with the next leg. Nice. And bring your hips a little more. Yeah, nice. And now we can do range of motion here. Sonia can do a front split, side split. We can bring knees to the chest. We can have the legs straight up. And if you want to come down, you can come back to my knees. Nice and control, and step down. Nice. Now this is pretty easy. We can go back into it. And we can just hop up from the ground. Nice. And the next progression is, you want to come down slowly as the flyer's feet go forward, the butt has to go back as a counterbalance. And you want to see how much you can slow this down until you kind of lose control and just come down. Nice. Here's the next progression. Candlestick, we have this triangle here, which is very stable. The next thing is we're going to bird pose. Sonia is going to hold my ankles also with this C-grip. I'm going to bend my knees, push her forward. And now it's up to Sonia to push her hips over her shoulders. And that's done by one, moving the legs, and two, by pushing with the arms. And I help tilt her as much as I can. Nice. And we can come like that. Sorry. Nice. That should give you a lot to play with.
Okay, so this is one of the first proper acro moves in level 2. So we're going to start with candlestick. So here we have the base lie down. And the flyer will put their legs around. Straddle the base and look facing the base. We're going to put our hands through our legs and C-cup the thigh. Now Thomas's hand positioning is very important. You want to talk about it?
I want to think about suction cups on her back. I don't want to be under here because that's going to put pressure on my wrist. But also if I'm under, I'm less up on the back. The more I'm up on the back, the more from the connection lean over, I might prefer resistance.
So then I'm going to have my arms very straight and put one foot at a time on the knees. And raise my hips above, far above my head as I can. Now I'm going to lift one leg. And naturally the other leg will want to float up. There you are, your candlestick. You can play around here. Do a side split, front split, tuck your knees, however you want to play around here. And when you go down, you can just one leg on the knees again, and safely at the bottom. 2 advances, you can also do a hop into this position. Okay.
Thank you.
So from here, you can jump on up. And go as slowly as you can down. There's also another way. Starting from bird is a little bit of a variation. Starting in bird, I'm going to grab onto Thomas's ankles. He's going to then move on to my shoulders. And I'm going to raise my hips up as I extend my arms straight. There we go. You can play around here too if you so wish. Okay, time to release.